Hello, Year 7. So today's lesson is going to be on scale drawings. That's on page 226 and 227 of the book in Caboodle. So if you want to follow that, that's absolutely fine. And then just going to go through scale drawings for you. So first of all, here's a picture in front of you of the barn that I've drawn. I know it's a fantastic picture, thank you. The scale used in my picture is 1 square is representing 1 metre. How tall is the roof? So what we need to do when we think about scale drawing is look at the size of things in the pictures and then think about what they represent in real size. So clearly in this one, when we've got 1 square is 1 metre, can you see how we go? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That would be 6 squares. The roof height, if we just come along here, is here. Those heights are perpendicular like that, and that there has 2 squares. So the height of the roof here is 2 squares tall. So the representation is 1 square is 1 metres, therefore 2 squares would be 2 metres. So the roof is 2 metres tall. Okay, next question. Okay, so going on to this one here. So it says a rectangular door measures 2 metres by 50 centimetres. So that's the real measurements for it. Using a scale of 1 centimetre is 25 centimetres. Can we draw a scale diagram? If you want to pause the video and have a go yourself, just draw it out now. Absolutely do that. That's completely fine. If not, I'm just going to continue with my explanation. So in our scale, we're going to use 1 centimetre is 25 centimetres. So 2 metres is 200 centimetres. And 200 centimetres is 8 multiplied by 25. So in the scale, it's going to be 8 centimetres. And 50 centimetres is 2 lots of 25. So in the scale drawing, that will be 2 centimetres. So we're looking for a rectangle which is 8 centimetres by 2 centimetres, like so. So 200 centimetres, 8 by 25, so 8 centimetres. 50 centimetres, 2 lots of 25. So 2 centimetres there. Okay, so there we go. We've got our scale. We had 8 centimetres coming down there, 2 centimetres there. 1 centimetre represents 25 centimetres. Could you ratio to describe that? So 1 to 25. That's also how we could see it. Okay, next question. So here we go. We've got this one here. So the room measures 10 metres by 8 metres. Okay, now sorry about that. That should say a rectangular room. So a rectangular room measures 10 metres by 8 metres. Using a scale of 1 centimetre represents 2 metres. Draw a scale drawing of the room. What is the length of the diagonal of the room? So we need to think about those values again. And if you want to pause the video and draw it out yourself, feel free. I'm going to go through it now. So this time I'm using 1 centimetre to represent 2 metres. And I've got 10 metres and 8 metres. Clearly, 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. So that will give us 5 centimetres. And 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. So that will give us 4 centimetres. So we're going to be drawing something which has a 5 centimetre and a 4 centimetre. So I'm going to just turn over the page and draw that a 5 centimetre by 4 centimetre rectangle. So here we go. So 5 centimetres, like so, and 4 centimetres, like so. 5 centimetres, and 4 centimetres. Obviously you should use a pencil, otherwise you get lots of smudges with the inky pen, so remember that. Okay, so we had the measurements that we needed. You can see this side here was the 4 centimetres, and this was the 5 centimetres, and the scale we used, which was 1 centimetre, represents 2 meters. So that's the scale on the scale drawing. The last question said, what is the length of the diagonal of the room? So we just need to measure the diagonal, either this diagonal, obviously this one, because the rectangle, the diagonals are equal. And we just can go through there. And so I measure that, according to my scale drawing, it's 6.4. So the diagonal length equals 6.4 centimeters. Now, in reality, in the room, because 1 centimeter represents 2 meters, we need to multiply that by 2. So 6.4 multiplied by 2 equals 12.8 meters. Okay, so I think now you should be able to have a go at the questions, which are on page 227. And what we could do for homework this week is, could you have a go at the problem solving question number 6 and take a photo and send that to your teacher, and then they can have a look at that, so you can upload that directly onto Class Charts. It's a question about Mary's new bedroom and arranging different furniture around it in the scale drawing. Okay, good luck.